What's up guys, it's your boy YLToon, and I'm going to be showing a spam bot that is useful for Instagram spamming and similar things. So first things first, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and smash the like button. Also, the code is in the description down below if you just want to copy and paste it. And so let me show you how this app would work. So let's say you run it. I'm just going to run it in PyCharm to make this easier for everyone. So it says hello, blah blah blah. This actually isn't necessary. We don't need that in your code. This is, and neither, you don't actually need that either. I just put that to know what to enter. So it's gonna say how many times you want to spam. Let's say 10, and then let's say the program says what will the text be. So let's say this is spam. This is for my video. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. I think I can actually put emojis in there. So then you click there and then move the cursor to the send button. Now you just wait. So I already spammed him just to make sure it worked. So see, you spammed him twice. And I don't actually remember how many times I put spam. I think it was 10, right? Yeah, it was 10. So it says it's done. You can get out. So let me show you the code, and here it is. So I'm gonna say import pyautogui, which is a module. You can look more into it on Google and everything, but this is a module you have to download with pip install pyautogui, you know, the usual. And this is a module to let you let the computer to let the program interact with the computer as if it was a normal user. For example, it can click, it can type, and yeah, that's pretty much all I did though. It can type again. So this is the only part we're gonna need it in. You don't actually need to import everything in pyautogui. I just did because I'm lazy, bro. I'm not gonna do that. So this part is just to check if it's downloaded. If it's not, then it's just gonna install the module and import it. Then this part is just for to import sleep, so we can have some delays like here and other places. This is gonna be the print hello blah blah blah. This is just the text I told you was unnecessary. Then this would be the part where it asks for how many spam do you want. This is the part that asks for how many, what would the text be. And these are like the default settings. How many equals 5, text equals hello. This is otherwise if the person does not enter anything. So this block of code is just to check if you want the default settings or not. Actually, my bad. This whole block of code. This is to check if you want default settings or not. Then it's gonna wait for 7 seconds until you get into your app or Instagram or whatever. Then it's gonna start the spamming. This is just gonna type the message into the text bar, whatever. This is gonna click the send button, and that's why you need to put the cursor on the send button, because it's gonna get the position and then click that position. Then it's gonna wait for a quarter of a second. This is just for stopping lag, and this is going to write it's done, you can get out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a pretty easy thing to make. You can even try making it by yourself without copying the code. It might even be a good exercise, but don't skip yet. Don't go to another video. Don't you dare click away. I bet half of you already did. But anyways, so this module can actually be used for many useful things, and probably more than I even know. But it can be used for like repetitive tasks, such as like maybe paying taxes. I'm not sure, man. I don't know. Maybe like if you're I don't know, maybe you want to spam someone. That's useful, right? I mean, I just use that. Maybe I I don't know. Maybe you want to make a spam bot, but you don't want it to be too fast to the point. Or maybe like, maybe you need it for like, I don't know, man. Maybe like for things that are really repetitive. Maybe like paying taxes, which I already said, obviously. I know. And things like that, man. I don't even know what you can use that for. Man, I'm sorry for wasting your time with that. But make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed.